For decades, the gaming world was divided by an unyielding, frustrating wall. On one side, you had the absolute raw power of desktop PCs, massive liquid-cooled behemoths capable of rendering breathtaking, photorealistic worlds at blistering frame rates, but permanently chained to a desk. On the other side, you had handheld console gaming, beautifully portable and convenient, but severely crippled by massive compromises in graphic fidelity, compromised frame rates, and heavily stripped-down versions of your favorite titles. We accepted this compromise as an immutable law of physics. We told ourselves that true, uncompromising PC gaming could never fit in the palm of our hands. But right now, that wall has not just been breached, it has been utterly pulverized. Asus has unleashed a handheld weapon so technologically aggressive, so absurdly powerful, and so meticulously engineered that it is currently causing a massive panic across the entire gaming industry. This is the dawn of the Asus ROG Ally 2. This is not a subtle, safe, incremental hardware refresh. This is a total ground-up architectural revolution that brings genuine, high-end desktop-class PC gaming directly into your hands, completely changing how, where, and when we play forever. To truly comprehend the sheer scale of the engineering miracle Asus has pulled off, you have to look beneath the aggressive, premium chassis and dive into the hyper-advanced silicon driving this machine. At the absolute heart of the ROG Ally 2 sits a custom-engineered, next-generation AMD Ryzen processor built on a cutting-edge, ultra-dense nanometer architecture. This isn't a recycled mobile phone chip or a heavily underclocked laptop processor. This is a bespoke gaming titan engineered specifically for handheld supremacy. Asus worked hand-in-hand with AMD to completely rewrite the rules of power delivery and efficiency. The chip features an unprecedented number of high-performance cores paired with a revolutionary graphics compute engine that handles modern, resource-heavy AAA gaming titles with an ease that feels mathematically impossible for a device this size. When you boot up a demanding open-world game, the graphics engine doesn't just struggle to get by. It completely thrives, rendering sweeping landscapes, complex lighting physics, and dense crowds of characters instantly, without skipping a single beat. But raw processing power is completely useless if a handheld device turns into a scorching hot piece of plastic that burns your hands after 20 minutes of intense gameplay. This is where the engineering geniuses at Republic of Gamers pulled off their greatest triumph. They completely discarded traditional, basic laptop cooling designs and invented the Zero-Gravity Thermal System 2.0. This is a hyper-advanced solid-state cooling network that utilizes dual fluid dynamic bearing fans paired with a revolutionary anti-gravity heat pipe matrix. Microscopic channels inside the copper pipes pull heat away from the custom AMD silicon with staggering efficiency, completely independent of how you hold the device. Whether you are laying completely flat on your back looking up at the ceiling, sitting upright on a crowded flight, or leaning precariously on your couch, the thermal system maintains absolute peak efficiency. The fans operate in near-total silence, dissipating immense heat out of the top vents so effectively that the ergonomic hand grips remain completely cool to the touch. You get maximum, unthrottled, sustained desktop performance hour after hour, with zero risk of frame drops or thermal degradation. Let's talk about the display, because a legendary gaming processor requires an equally